On le sang Paris, but the name didn't last. Mama fit the enemies from the past. Took the name Shakur, a fight of a spark, raised in the shadows where the world's so dark. From Harlem to Baltimore, we move with the wind. A poet in the making, where does my life begin? Granddad behind bars, accused of a crime. Stepdad hunted, a rebel of his time. Tupac born from struggle, raised in pain. Through the fire he rose again. From the streets to the stage, his words took flight. A legacy of truth in the darkest night. Jaded in the halls, a bond so strong in this crazy world. Where do we belong? Baltimore streets, rap was my guide. A voice for the voiceless I never could hide. We moved to Cali, chasing dreams, chasing light. Every rhyme, every line was a piece of the fight. With Mo Cream by my side, we formed a crew. Thug life forever, you know what's true. Tupac born from struggle, raised in pain. Through the fire he rose again. From the streets to the stage, his words took flight. A legacy of truth in the darkest night. Albums dropped, but the scars were made. In the heart of the struggle, love was gained. But the world came fast, took it all away. Yet in the music, Tupac will stay. Through the trials, through the tears, Tupac lived beyond his years. A poet, a fighter, a voice for the weak. In his words, we still speak. Met Jada in the halls, a bond so strong in this crazy world. Where do we belong? Met Jada in the halls, a bond so strong in this crazy world. Where do we belong? Met Jada in the halls, a bond so strong in this crazy world. Where do we belong? Met Jada in the halls, a bond so strong in this crazy world. Where do we belong? Met Jada in the halls, a bond so strong. Met Jada in the halls, he rose again. Met Jada in the halls, a bond so strong in this crazy world. Where do we belong? Met Jada in the halls, the scars remained. In the heart of the struggle, love was gained. But the world came fast, took it all away. Yet in the music, Tupac will stay. Trials, through the tears, Tupac lived beyond his years. A poet, a fighter, a voice for the weak. In his words, we still speak.